I promise no little story, and here it is. Listen. So you know you just come to one place and you say, me say what go on, the place look nice. Hello. Wanna go and watch and see what go on. One piece of something. Yes, I'm reach now, you know. I mean this a walking darling Abba. Me say wanna go and watch and see why. It's a nice place, and I'm not tell you it's not a nice place, but now see why I never enjoy myself. First thing we need to find is some food. Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Madame, all kind of something there over there, sir. You just come with me and just go look, watch out the place, you see me? Never hard to find still a bus me take. I don't know all them metro lock. So first of all, I never supposed to take the bus. I was supposed to go with some girls from church, but then them did cancel last minute and they so me I said true me no me used to go out by myself, so why not? So I take up myself and take the bus. The bus system is very good. It wasn't hard to find. Once I come off of the bus, I just asked somebody where it was. Them say go down the road, walk down the side, and I saw the big sign, and you know it was nice. And the bus only stopped like twice. Yeah, they might have winter festival, so I just come down here to see what I want. I'm showing a little bit of what I want as we go along. This is the famous Darling Harbour. Turn around the camera and show them. All I wanna do. Peer bird down here, me dear. Peer bird that fly around me. I just decided to eat out of the door, yes, so I'm gonna watch this now. By Zinger with wings. I'm faded. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really enjoying myself. This is just reminding me of how completely and absolutely single I am. Be a couple, family and friend, no, darling Harbour, yeah, my love. Love with it, you know. When nobody not jump, that's me, they make me not jump, you The Lions. And nobody never want me say no figure down there if you're single. Don't get me wrong, you know, I've never had a problem being single. Not like I wouldn't mind having like a partner now, companionship and start a family because I'm not getting any younger, but I've never had a problem going out by myself, enjoying myself until
the sound you're about to listen to right now comes straight out of a human voice. I need to grab everyone's attention first. Everyone say ooh, ooh. Louder. Everyone say ha. Everyone say not bad. Everyone say
until I went to Darling Harbour. I was like, oh no, this is not nice. This is not cool. I must say that I met two persons who were really nice to me. This black guy saw me trying to take pictures of myself with a building, and he was like, you want me to take your pictures? And then his wife was boosting him, and he was like, oh, where are you from and stuff like that. And he's from Zimbabwe. She's an Australian, but she wants to live in Jamaica, and we had a little chit chat, so that was nice. And then another black girl with her boo was passing, and she was like, girl, I like your pants. I was like, ooh, thank you. I bought that pants at H&M in Japan. Oh, the Chinese garden. I'm going to go fast. I don't want to sit in there. What is that? Chinese garden of peace or friendship? Go in there, go fast. Cover me, Jesus. see lock. Closed. Okay. Thank you. I saw another guy too. He was taking pictures, and I was like, let me try to be friendly with somebody, see if we can find somebody for at least spar with for the day. Ratchet. Hey. The guy shy. Him take my picture for me because I asked him to take my pictures. He took them, and then before I could even, I was gonna be bold and say, "Are you here alone?" Because, I mean, it was that bad. I never felt loneliness in that way before. You know, when people say you're in a crowd and you're lonely, that was me. Like, there were other black people and stuff, like more than I would see in Japan, but they didn't really talk to me. They might say hello, but I just never have nobody to talk to and do. But just make up my mind and enjoy myself and start dance and go on with a bag of things and say, you know what, me done pay my money. It's snowing. Take the energy, my effort, everything, and come down here. So might as well enjoy myself. So that's really what I did. But never again. Me, nah, go darling, Abba by myself. No, darling. It was nice though. I would definitely go again. So I hope you enjoy my little story. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to my new subscribers. Ray, so the thing said.
Now I know that we're here together.